All right, children. So our next speaker, Bachas, is no less, but she has about 27 years of work experience, including 22 years with media and communication. She has worked as consultant for communication interventions with more than 1400 hours of delivering lectures, training, facilitation for various institutions and associated with Adani Group since last 5 years. She has worked across various mediums, including newspapers, radio, and magazine, worked with English and Gujarati language in hardcore news reporting to covering features and entertainment, working with Ahmedabad Mirror, Divya Bhaskar, Radio Mirchi, Sandesh, and Abhiyan too. Has worked, and all those, as we can know, beta, they are all very well known names in the form of the newspapers as well as the radio channels. So has worked on building brands, setting up celeb identities, creating and communicating perceptions and persona, project planning and implementation, and leading teams to achieve. So associated with Google News Initiative as trainer for fake news identification and digital hygiene since last 4 years. So she is the one, beta, in one of our groups of the celebrities. Basically, she keeps on, if somebody forwards a message, she's the one who would say that, oh, hello, please do not forward without any information. This is a fake news. Okay. So she is basically a trainer in how to identify the kind of fake news. So she also has a certificate from Dart Center, Australia, to take training to handle trauma situations in journalists. Currently working as a coach, facilitator, and lecturer, taking workshops and seminars of perception, management, and communication in corporates like Adani, GCCI, SPIPA, and lectures on journalism and communication in institutions like Gujarat University Journalism Department, Pandit Deen Dayal University, Gandhinagar, LG Media Studies College, and St. Xavier's College. Now, she is my very good friend. And on a lighter note, she is based in Ahmedabad. She loves nature. She loves low-level treks. And just like you all, she loves coffee and chocolate, right? So, my dear Benita, very, very welcome. And, from Sinotech Education Foundation, with folded hands, I welcome this program. And trust me, there are children who are with us in Zoom and who are also, this is streaming live in the school where they are sitting, and in one of the videos, you will be able to see them also. So I think without wasting a single minute, over to you.
Thank you, Megha. Hi, hello everyone.
Hi.
Is it possible, Megha, to have it internet? I think somebody is trying to speak something. So, जिसको भी बोलना है बोल दीजिए. मेरे को lecture नहीं देना है. So, what are you expecting from this? क्या सुनना चाहते हैं? मेरे से क्या बात करना चाहते हैं? बता सकते हैं आप.
So I have already
आपको पता है ना मैं किस पे बोलने वाली हूँ आज.
Right. So basically, they are very well conversant with English. I just asked them, all of them, and they said that also they would really like to know, how to put up an article, the structuring part of it and the presentation. So that I have told them that, but other than that, if any other nuances also, if you would like to share along with different examples, please feel free to do that.
Absolutely. So I'll just start sharing my
Oh, there is a network problem.
Screen.
We are not able to see.
Can you guys see that? Okay.
Just 2 minutes, beta. I will tell her. Afia, thank you, beta. So, yeah. So,
Linda ma'am, please switch off the background
yeah.
the picture that
So if you do that, then it will be very clear, because the voice was also actually shaking. So maybe because of the internet issue. Yes, perfect. So if you can just, from the first slide, if we are able to.
I think ma'am, she pulling up the background.
Yeah.
picture.
So
Am I back?
meanwhile, children, yes. Actually, the virtual background takes up so much of speed for our case, actually. So meanwhile, beta, she is adjusting and screen sharing. I think I would really like to let you all know that beta, just last year when everything was normal, non-corona thing, then at that point of time, both of us were part of a beautiful program we conducted for, English proficiency program for business, फॉर विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर सो जो लेडीज बेटा घर पे बैठ के बहुत अच्छा सा काम करती है, अचार बनाती है, सोप बनाती है, स्टिचिंग करती हैं, अच्छे अच्छे ड्रेस सिलती हैं, और वो लेडीज के लिए बेटा जो लोग थोड़ा सा सिर्फ इंग्लिश के वजह से अगर वो लोग अच्छे से ऑडियंस को टारगेट नहीं कर पाते हैं तो वो कैसे करना होता है, वो हमने उनको अच्छे से इंग्लिश में सिखाया था. यस यस, ओवर टू यू मैम.
Sorry, there was net problems.
No worries.
That is unfortunately a part of this digital connect. Okay. Yes, so this is what I and preparing presentation. There are two.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yes, beta, Matansha, I will tell her.
That I plan to
The
talk.
voice.
Anything else that you guys would want me to talk about? Bata dijiye. Because that is how I'll do is I will be talking of English and Hindi. Very samajh mein nahi aaya. Is it still okay? Let me come closer. My voice is still dropping.
Yeah. Okay, please go on. The best part is we are very much in time.
Is my voice still dropping? No, not okay. So that is one of the reasons why I have. So let me tell, like all of you have been writing. Why don't you tell me you can use the chat box, all of you, to type in. If you don't have, you can also unmute and tell. But tell me, whenever you, what kind of problems do you face? थोड़ा सा बताइए मेरे को, थोड़ा सा अंदाजन, क्योंकि ऐसा होता है जब भी आप कुछ लिखने की कोशिश करते हैं तो क्या आपके दिमाग
Can I say?
Why don't you all type it?
I will enable chat.
If my voice drops, just raise a hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, please do that.
Okay. See, they are writing. Very nice, beta. Umema and Juveria.
I guess it is
unable to find good words
around where I am staying, Ambawadi area. So
we are not able to hear you. Not a single word is coming in. Okay, she dropped out.
Ma'am, she can stop her video and keep sharing the screen. I guess that should help.
I think only removal of virtual background will help very quickly.
I think she left, it seems.
She might have thought, but see, the thing is that virtual background takes up so much of speed. So children, beta, meanwhile, the speaker joins in. Tell me something. अभी तक जो भी चल रहा है बेटा, आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so beta, very nice that if you send us, if you have a specific question for a speaker, अगर speaker दे रहे हैं जवाब तो ठीक है, अगर नहीं दे रहे हैं बेटा So definitely what I can do is that I can make sure that I answer those questions. Okay, जो तुम्हें लिखने में काम आए. एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा बेटा कि अगर आप में से कोई जीत जाए, इतने प्राइजेस हैं, और प्राइजेस आर नॉट एवरीथिंग, बट एट द सेम टाइम बेटा दे आर वेरी वेरी मोरल बूस्टिंग अगर हो जाएगा. यस तेजल बेन, आर यू सेइंग समथिंग?
No, I was just trying to say that she had asked a wonderful question that what all, जैसे कि एक बच्ची ने बोला कि words नहीं मिलते हैं, तो this is the time मैम आए तब तक सोच लो, and it's a wonderful thing we all can work on.
Yes. So बेटा एक जन ने लिखा है कि मुझे I am short of words, which is such a good question, how to do that. बेटा, if I tell you as an expert, then I would say that only one thing helps, that is reading. Okay, so when you read something continuously, मतलब कुछ तो, अगर बेटा देखो मेरा खुद का बेटा, he is not into so much of reading, but what we have told him is that beta, just subscribe to either CNN or BBC or apni koi bhi Indian news channel in your phone, and just beta quick read of 5 minutes related to what is happening in the world, current affairs. हाँ, थोड़ा सा पढ़ोगे तो क्या वर्ड्स यूज किए हैं ना, बार बार तुम्हें वो चीज री-एम्फसाइज करने में तुम्हें हेल्प करेगा वो चीज, है ना. So yes ma'am, you are already here, so let me put you on a spotlight. Yeah.
Yes. Did I miss out some chat messages? You'll have to repeat it because I won't be able to read those.
No, only one, unable to find good words. That was the only one.
So I guess you were answering that. Please continue. That is the perfect answer that you were giving.
So basically, beta, you have to read a lot, and nobody can, as I told you, nobody can teach you how to write. Only everyone can help you. You have to help yourself by reading and making up your own vocabulary. है ना? चलो, okay, ma'am. Please carry on.
Okay. So anything else? Thank you for telling that. Okay, vocab is an issue. Yes, and Megha ma'am gave you the exact answer. Vocabulary is a tool with which you write. So मतलब मैं आपको पूछूं कि आपको लिखने में तकलीफ है और आप मुझे कह रहे हैं कि I don't have a pencil and I am confused with a pen. Pen pencil बाद में आता है, right? First you have to understand how will you write and what do you want to write. So whenever you want to start writing, where do you start writing from? बहुत ही पुराना एक song है which tells, start from the beginning. It's apparently very logical कि हाँ शुरू करना है तो beginning से ही करो, लेकिन where does the beginning come? Whenever you are starting to write, जैसे कि अभी आपने discuss किया the problem in Baroda about crocodile and AMC breaking down their habitat. There is so much of multiple facets. Now, what? When you are starting to write, the main issue is, okay, you want to write about this, but where will you start writing from? How will you start writing? Okay. So what do you think? What do you guys do when you have to do that? Because whenever you start, what do you think? Let us know. Let me know some more thoughts. Yes, put down your thoughts. Perfect, Shifa. You start thinking, right? So how do you start thinking and how do you structure your thoughts? Because if your thoughts are structured, your writing will be structured. Whenever you want to do any structured writing, you think first. And how do you? Yes, Mantasha. So how do you think so that your mind opens up? But, most of the issues when you're saying you don't have words, sometimes you don't even have thoughts. आपको बोला गया है कि write an essay for 5,000 words, and you are like, after 1,000 words, what do I write? In Twitter, for example, 140 words, people write everything that they want to write. And beyond that, you do not know what to write. Ki I have said whatever I wanted, और मेरे तो सिर्फ इतने ही words हुए, then what do I do? So you have to open your minds up, right? So opening up your minds, thinking around various facets and thinking about options is the most crucial thing in structuring your thoughts. So whenever you want to structure your content, you have to structure your thoughts. How do you go about doing that? There are so many thoughts. जैसे आपने बोला कि इवन कोई मूवी भी देख लो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टडीज के बारे में बात करते हैं तो 3 Idiots मूवी का ख्याल आता है ना? So if I have to ask you, have you guys seen 3 Idiots?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
उसमें क्या याद है आपको?
उसमें
If I have to say
Virus
कि एक चीज
वो चीज करो
Virus,
जिसमें तुम्हारा
virus.
इंटरेस्ट है.
ओके, फिर नेक्स्ट पर्सन, चलो फास्ट, जस्ट वन थिंग एवरीवन स्पीक, व्हाटएवर इज ऑन टॉप ऑफ योर माइंड, बताओ.
वो चीज करो जिसमें तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट है.
Okay, heard you. Next person, please. You can chat, type in the chat box also, or you can unmute and talk. Rancho याद है. Okay.
सक्सेस झक मार के आपके पीछे आएगा.
Perfect. Then और क्या याद है? दूसरा जो भी चीज जिसको याद है फटाफट.
पेरेंट्स को अपने बच्चों को
Virus.
करना चाहिए ये चीज करने के लिए.
Okay, that is good. Don't pressure people. Then टेंशन होता है तो क्या करना है बोलने का? क्या फॉर्मूला दिया था?
All is well.
All is well.
All is well.
All is well.
Yes. So just a 3-hour thing. There are so many different facets that so many different people remember, right? So if even that is a nice story that people are writing, right? But what are the different facets? So can you imagine the writer who sits there? मतलब आमिर खान का कैरेक्टर भी था, रैंचो का भी था, वायरस भी था. There are so many different aspects that have been put together. Where do you start? And आपको ये ख्याल आता है तो आप the problem with thoughts is once thought sticks in your mind, you keep on repeating and going more deeper and deeper in that thought, and you forget a very important aspect, very important facet. So what I'm showing you now is how to open your mind and still structure your thoughts. Both these aspects are extremely important whenever you are writing, especially scientific writing. Okay, so this is what you have to do. आपकी नोटबुक लो और ऐसे दोनों साइड खुली हो ना, ऐसे ओपन कर दो. Whenever you have to do, it is whatever you are writing an essay, you are writing a paper, you are just writing even an email to your friend. कुछ भी thought होता है ना तो open like this, so your mind knows कि okay, this is the scape, इतना बड़ा scape है that it can open up. Then what is the most important thing in any communication? It's purpose. कि आप communicate कर क्यों रहे हो? Right, that is the purpose. Always be very, very clear about the purpose. So the example that sir was giving you, you are talking of this problem in Vadodara on the river bank. So what is the purpose? What do you think if you are writing a paper on it? What could be the purpose for that? You can write in the chat box, or you can unmute and tell me. If you are writing a paper on this, what could be the purpose? यदि competition है और आप उस पे लिख रहे हो, competition नहीं है और आप लिख रहे हो, what could be various possible purposes?
पर कंपटीशन है और इतने अच्छे अच्छे कैश प्राइज है. So
exactly. So
yes.
Shifa, for a good result, मतलब कौन सा result चाहिए आपको? कि आपको competition में top पे आना है? That is the purpose for you? Then yes, that is the purpose. Yes, Unema, you are interested in knowing more, है ना? But interest in what? सिर्फ interest लिखोगे ना तो पता नहीं चलता है. See, all of you, what you are doing is using adjectives. Remember, adjectives are one of the most pompous things in the language. And they basically give you a lot of show, but no substance. So whenever you use adjectives, remember this rule, golden rule in writing. Whenever you use adjectives, quantify or qualify them. What do I mean by quantify or qualify adjectives? I'm saying, oh, you are awesome. So what is awesome to you? Awesome is a person who brings you chocolates. Awesome is some a person who gives you a prize. Awesome is some person who gives you a job. Awesome is some person who is giving you important questions. Who is that awesome? That keeps on changing. So you cannot leave your communication open to interpretation. When you say that, okay, you gave me 500 rupees, so for me you are awesome, then I am both quantifying and qualifying. I say you praised me, you helped me, so you are awesome. So I am qualifying it. Whenever I say, okay, 3 times you did this and therefore you're awesome, then 3 is quantification. And you helped me, you are very intelligent because you got a score of this. That is qualification. Like, yes, Mantasha here has now elaborated that interest to learn new things, participate in competition. This is qualification. So whenever you use adjectives, always quantify or qualify. That will make your writing that much more specific and that much better. Okay. So yes, so all these are different purposes. See, one wants a good result, one wants interest in new learnings, another person is interested in just this participating in competition. So all these are different purposes. Now, the sir who was talking wanted this activity to be stopped. That is a different purpose. If I was writing for a newspaper, I would want everyone to be aware of what is happening. That is a different purpose. So what is the expected outcome for writing this article is the actual purpose. Be very, very clear. And who are you writing for? So if you want to learn new things, you are writing for your own self. If you want to participate in competition, you are writing for the judges so that they can evaluate you. So purpose is coming from the context and the audience. Who are you writing for and what is the purpose of communication is something very, very important. And the entire time you are expanding your thought, please keep this in mind. So if I'm talking of awareness, I am not interested in a lot of aspects, even though they are relevant to the topic. If I want the municipal commissioner to act on the basis of information, what I write here will be very different. So even though आज तो गूगल बाबा का जमाना है, आप गूगल करोगे, you will have 1 lakh search results. So how do you identify कि मेरे को इसमें से करना है? The purpose will help you, and you have to balance the purpose with all the issues that you can talk of. In the purpose, you will shape the content based on that. So you have to understand the purpose or the context. आपको written करना है कि oral, what is the length of the article? Are you able to attach photographs? Are you able to attach videos or audio? What is the cultural framework? Like these are the content. Like I already said, why are you writing? Are you familiar with it? Or is it an absolutely new thing that you are talking of? What do you want from creating content and what is it that you are is at your disposal? If the competition, like ma'am has given you 15 days, right? So you have 15 days to work on it. Then you have all the resources at your disposal. Is my voice dropping again? If it does, please
No, ma'am.
it's a hand.
No, ma'am,
so I
it's
realized
perfect.
No, ma'am.
Absolutely perfect.
because I heard some noise, so I thought it maybe.
No, I immediately muted that.
Okay. So that is what the whole idea is. So understand the context that will shape and structure your content most important. This is the base of how you will choose your content. Okay. The purpose or the context is to be always balanced with the takeaway. What is it that you want from this? What is it that you want to conclude? What is the impact that you want? What is the final thing that you want the people to take away from your article? That is the focus on which again you will balance. So these two things are absolutely clear. You want the judges to take away your intelligence when you want to win a competition. So you will be, that is for you the takeaway. The judges should feel that this person has done a fantastic job as far as structuring goes, as far as research goes, as far as understanding goes, as far as application goes. So these are the 4 parameters in the competition. You have to ensure that that is the takeaway. If sir wants the commissioner to take action, that is the impact that he wants from the article. If I am writing it as a journalist, I would want people to react. Oh, that is so bad. That is the impact that I want. I want people to conclude that, okay, what is happening is extremely bad and I should react. That is the conclusion that I want people to draw. So all these 3 are pretty linked, they are used, but your article has to have this. And the purpose and the takeaway or the impact are the whole skeleton around which your structure of the article is based. एंड आपको पेज नोटबुक के पेज पे इसी तरह से लिखना है. ओके, सो वॉट एवर योर पर्पज और कॉन्टेक्स्ट, आप दोनों पेज खोल के रखे हैं. नोटबुक के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ऊपर आप पर्पज लिखिएगा, टेक अवे और इम्पैक्ट ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड एंड में लिखिए. दीज आर द 2 थिंग्स. नोटबुक के पेज खोल के इसी तरह से यू विल हैव टू राइट. ओके, and this is how your mind will also feel, you know, this is your non-verbal way of communicating with your mind and telling you that, oh, this is the expand, this is where you have to expand, ye hai aur ye hai. This is how you will tell your mind that it should expand and work. And then you have to ask your friends to help you. What are the friends of writers? Remember this, any writing that you do, these are the 6 friends, 5 W's and H. What, when, where, why, who, and how. Whatever you write, whatever your mind can think, that will always revolve around these 6 topics, nothing beyond that. Now, these can be expanded in different manners, like what happened, what next, what was the cause, what will happen. All the whats will come, various kind of whats can come. So when you are expanding your thoughts, do that. When did it happen in history? When did it happen? Did it happen after this event? Did it happen before this event? What was that? So when, according to timelines or according to a sequence, but when gives you that moment in time, where in country, local level, national level, international level, in control. This was in my control, legal, geographical boundaries, legal boundaries, whatever where part you can do. कि मेरे हिस्से, मेरे इलाके में, इसके इलाके में, you know, so that is where their control was. So it could be where, it could be anything. Why did it happen? Like, why is this kind of bad development happening? It is basically because builders want more land, money, grabbing, greed. Lack of, it is not as if they don't know. So when you realize that greed was the reason, it doesn't make sense to tell them that you are harming the environment. They know it and yet they want to do it. So you have to understand why. Why do people do action? Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. You are talking technicalities to them and they know that, but they are still ignoring it. So what Sir chose, he did not therefore try to tell them that you are harming the environment. He knew that. But he also realized that they were greedy. So instead of coaching them about or telling them about what wrong they are doing, he focused on what illegal they are doing. Because greed and that kind of money power can only be hit back by law. So you have to understand why. If they did not know only ki unki actions were so harmful, then it makes sense telling them uh, about the harm that they are doing to the nature. But they already know it and they still want to do it. Therefore, you focus on the legal aspect. You cannot do it. Therefore, why is extremely important. Who, again, is very crucial. Who are the main players? The builders, the politicians, the municipality people. Then who is it impacting? कर तो वो लोग रहे हैं, and the common citizens are thinking मैनू क्या, मेरा क्या, मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. But then you have to come and tell it is impacting you, therefore you are involved. All these aspects you have to keep. Then you can say कि अरे चिपको movement में उन्होंने किया था, and yes, it is, you can and you are able to save. You can take action. It is not as if only those people have the power. So who are the main players? Who is it impacting? That is an entirely different aspect in your writing. And then how, the process, that is always extremely important. So these are the 5 W's and H. Whenever you do, this will give you all the possible facets of how to structure your thoughts. So after you have written purpose and context and the takeaway, you populate your content in this way. आपने notebook के जो 2 pages खुले रखे हैं, उसमें background लिख दीजिए, then who, what, when, where, why, how. People, support, quotes. These are the possible facets in which you can develop the content. इसी तरह से लिखिएगा. Clear? Any questions up till now?
No, ma'am.
This is very simple, very simple. But if you do this, it will open your mind, and also it will keep your mind from running away in different directions. It will not let you be confused. And you have all the thought processes in front. So you don't have to write entire paragraphs. You just have to write one word. So you will realize, oh, this is what I want. So this is kind of mind mapping for you. Whatever thoughts are in your mind, it will help you explore your mind. This is how you create a mind map in a very structured manner. So if you write this 5 W's and H, background, your entire aspect is covered, right? Then you have written all these thoughts that are coming in your mind. Okay, what is it that you want? This, that. Then you take a pause and evaluate. Okay, यहाँ पे this could be a good introduction. Here I want to give example. You actually circle these thoughts like this again. Okay, here this is very important, so I should make a highlight box. This is something which is very important, so this should be the intro, the why part. Okay, I want to tell people that it is because of a few persons' greed that they are killing something which is a common resource and which will affect all people throughout the eternity. We are losing a resource which we will just be never able to duplicate again. We are losing a habitat which we will just not be able to do. Thousands of years के बाद we have this habitat, and just because of silly greed, we are losing this habitat which can just never be recovered. So you use this kind of impact and say, oh, this is Thasu. So you say, okay, this is the most important thing. This is the thing which connects the most to people, and you put it as an intro, even though you have written it fifth in your thought process. But you feel this is the most important, then that is the intro for you. Then you say, acha, ye, that is very logical, but I need to tell people how they are doing. So you tell कि अरे इतना घटिया काम कर रहे हैं और illegal कर रहे हैं. That is the most important. So the first paragraph, the segue comes from the second paragraph. The second paragraph supports your first paragraph. The third paragraph will support your second paragraph. यहीं पे you write the entire structure की ये second है, फिर मेरे को ये box में highlight करना है. The who part is the third paragraph that I want. I can say I want who, but somebody else can say, no, what is the most interesting part? So you can choose, okay, मुझे यहाँ पे ये third paragraph लिखना है. But this is how, even though this is rough work, this is how you actually have the entire map and the entire structure ready in front of you. You are not going to miss out anything. You realize, oh, this is important, this is not. This is how you structure your thoughts. ये rough work बहुत जरूरी है. In fact, when I teach journalism students, I do not ask them to write the article. I just ask them to do this rough work for the exam. और ये 20 मार्क का सवाल मैं पूछती हूँ. 30 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन होता है तो 20 मार्क्स I give to this mind mapping and 10 marks for the actual development of the content. That is how I plan. इतना important है ये. So always do this. Rough work बहुत जरूरी है, but it is not rough. It helps you structure your thoughts. Don't call it rough work per se, because this is more important than anything that you guys do. Okay?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
And
मेरी Zuberi Sheikh करके कोई है. She's annotating. Please do not do that. Thank you. Please do not the screen. Thank you. Yes.
Megha, you may want to, make me the co-host and take away the rights of sharing and annotating from all the participants. That can
Yeah,
also
yeah.
help.
I can do that, but I think Tejal Ben is already a co-host. Okay.
Yeah. So is it clear how you develop and how you do this? Any questions? Do you feel कि अरे ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
So after you do this sort of rough work, but you have already structured your thoughts, you already have created a mind map, you have already decided what is the most important thing, what is the second most important thing, then you start these decisions. Okay, you have written everything that comes to your mind. Then you decide कि अरे यार this is not relevant, even though I feel कि I searched for it, I have interesting information, but this is not required. Drop out all this unnecessary info. Hoegi, there has got to be there. For example, if I write an article of 500 words, I have minimum 5,000 words with me. And from that, I take out these 500 words, which are the most impactful. Whenever you are writing, the most important thing and the most important decisions are what you don't write. कि ये मेरे पास information तो है, but this does not segue with my main process, and therefore I will not take this. That decision is one of the most important decisions that you take. Then you understand the target, your purpose, the people you are talking, how will it be evaluated, and then you again move forward. The next process will be very, very clear about the message you want to give. What is the purpose and what is the message that you want to give? Both are not the same, but related. So your purpose is to win the competition, but the message that you want to give is that how scientifically incorrect this entire process is. So there is a difference. They are related, but not the same. So purpose and message are different. Be very clear about the message that you want to give. Then choose the methods that you want, like you want graphical, you want to use tables. What is it that you are wanting to do, right? Then be clear about the takeaways. Be very clear about the takeaways that you want. And that is the base on which you will again be shaping the entire structure. And after that, you'll be able to decide the content. After you've decided the content, you have to decide what angle you want to give. You want to just give information or you want to be persuasive. There's a difference. Information is just telling information ki ye hua, ye hua, ye hua. When you want to be persuasive, you understand the audience and talk it from their point of view. It is, for example, if I am trying to sell pizza, okay, so do I tell about the cheese? Do I tell about the flour that is there? Do I talk about the paneer? Do I talk about the toppings? Or do I say it is extremely yummy and it is what makes a party and how fantastic the taste is? If I am talking to people who love taste, that is what I will do. If I'm talking to people who love nutrition, I will take it as a wheat-based thing, so it is not maida and therefore it is good. Then I'll talk the health qualities of cheese. I'll talk of health quality of olives. If my audience is somebody who loves health aspect of food. So that is the difference between sell or tell. Okay. Then it is how you develop the wordings. You need not use very high quality of words. You can be absolutely authentic in your levels. आजकल तो गूगल पे जाओगे तो आपको बहुत सारा मिल जाता है. You do not have to do that. You do not have to use very high sounding words, but use effective words. Make short sentences which are sensible and crisp and precise. Repetition should never be there. So you can use F7 and say choose similar sounding words. That makes sense. That is the last thing you do. Word जो आपने बोला था vocab, ये सारे 7 points के बाद the 8th step is wording. So it is important, but not that important. Of course, it is important, but it is not as if you have to always sound jargons and high sounding words. Yes, it makes sense to have the precise scientific word, but it should also be in tune with all the other 7 steps that you have chosen for your content. And then you come to a conclusion. Okay. If you say the structure, a structure only has these 3 things: intro, body, and end. ये 3 चीजें ही आपको करनी है. So intro could be either ways. So if you decide to sell your intro, sell the content, then it will be persuasive. You have to say, yo, this is where you are. You establish a connect immediately. If it is you are telling thing, then you start with the background. Depending on what you want to choose, you can choose the intro. There are very many different ways. You can be very drastic, very dramatic. After, like, just predicting in 2020, this will be an entire, just a minute.
So my dear children, it is like lovely, that when you are learning about 5 W's and H, it is, how easy it could be, just by asking an appropriate question. You can do this exercise, like suppose किसी के दिमाग में बेटा कोई भी एक टॉपिक है, ओके, तो तुम इसको अपने टॉपिक को कैसे ये बॉडी में डालोगे, ओके, कि उसका इंट्रो क्या लिखोगे, उसके बॉडी में वो 5 W's और H की जो बात है उसमें क्या करोगे. So, and what is the final takeaway of that? So that summarizes your whole article. Itna mast beta, है ना? So basically, this is what you have to learn, that those who are in writing, probably, it will help them like anything. Yes.
Yeah, and the structure part. There is a pyramid structure and an inverse pyramid structure. So in pyramid structure, you start with the background, you build up your content, and the most important thing you put in conclusion. And the inverse pyramid, where the most important thing you say the first, and then you keep on the second most important thing, the third most important thing, the fourth most important thing. This is where business communication and presentations work. And pyramid is where your essays, your dialogues, your entire building of content works. So आप स्कूल में जो शॉर्ट नोट्स लिखते हैं, स्कूल में ऐसे लिखते हैं, वो पिरामिड कॉन्सेप्ट है. बिजनेस पे जाओगे, प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफिशियल करोगे, तो इनवर्स पिरामिड इस्तेमाल करना है. And that is why you have to understand the purpose. Now you have made a presentation. If you have to go to a municipal commissioner and give that presentation, or even write a letter to a authority, then you have to use inverse pyramid. And that is why who are you talking to is extremely important. Okay, I'm giving you just an introduction of what it is. But you have to therefore be very clear why you are doing that. Okay. And please tell stories. Whatever you do, people love to hear stories. If I just tell ऐसे ही, no. But if I tell कि अच्छा ये हुआ था, आपने जैसे आपको हम जैसे मैं आपको बता रही हूँ एग्जाम्पल दिया, जैसे आप भी सर ने बताया एक चीज, उसी को पकड़ के मैं आपको कहानी कह रही हूँ. मैंने आपको ऑल 3 इडियट्स का पूछा, तो आपको पता चला कि कितने फैसेट्स हैं. मैंने ऐसे ही बोला होता कि वेरियस फैसेट्स, तो वो थियोरेटिकल होता है, लेकिन आपको रिलेट करवाया 3 इडियट्स के साथ, सो आपको पता चला कि कितने अलग से फैसेट्स है. human beings always respond to stories. So even in your writing, the content part, when you are developing, develop it as a story. Tell them stories, क्योंकि that helps engage audience or reader. आप बोल रहे हैं, whether it is verbal or whether it is written, stories help audiences. And what is the most important thing in communication? People should remember what you have told or what you have written, and it therefore stories have a fantastic recall value. So work on it. Whenever you start, think about the story and what you are trying to tell the audience and create that content and presentation to tell. So वे कर सकते हैं. कहानियां कहना लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and that is a nice way to connect with people. What should content be? It should be clear, simple, consistent. And like I said, the first paragraph you wrote should be segued to the second paragraph. पूरा का पूरा logical flow होना बहुत ही जरूरी है. The structure जो मैंने बोला ना क्या है? Tell them what you want to tell them. That is the intro. Then you actually tell them. That is the body and expansion. And conclusion is tell them what you have told them. This is basically the structure, whether you are going for oral or whether you are going for written. ये पूरी कहानी आपको इसी structure में कहनी है. That is basically the structure of how you can structure your, very simply put. There are many other jargons for telling these things, but I am not touching on the jargons. Actually, bottom line is this. कोई भी structure होता है, इसी के base पे होता है. Introduction में बोलो कि आपको क्या कहना है उनका attention कैसे grab करोगे. So you have to tell them, you have to sell your story to them. Then you have to actually tell the story. And then you have to remind them कि अरे मैंने ये कहा था, हाँ? That is the conclusion. That is basically the logic of the structure. These are the 5 very important things. When आप जब story के लिए work करोगे, आप article के लिए work करोगे, तो these are the 5 steps you should follow. Research अच्छी तरह से करो. Then I showed you organization, right? Always organize the thoughts. मैंने जो आपको exercise करवाई, जो notebook की जो आपको दिखाई मैंने, उस पे organize भी होगा, focus भी होगा आपका, दोनों साथ में हो जाएगा. These are 2 very crucial steps. उसके बाद आपको drafting करना है. Write it down after you have done the rough work. And always read it again, edit it again. आपने खुद का लिखा है, फिर भी एक बार reread definitely कीजिए, because that is how it's extremely important. So you look at a macro, what I mean by macro and micro level. You check out, okay, these are the 7 aspects that I have highlighted and circled. Have I written all them? Sometimes बहुत important, बहुत बढ़िया thought होता है, लेकिन while you are writing, you forget. So have you covered all the facets, all the aspects that you have wanted? That is macro level. And spelling mistakes nahi hai, grammatical mistakes nahi hai. That is micro level. Both these editing levels you should do before you submit an article for the competition. Because यदि spelling गलत होता है, comma नहीं होता है, full stop नहीं होता है, very basic grammatical errors, but वो ना सामने वाले को गंदा feel देता है. यार, they don't even know this much, तो क्या जानेंगे और? So do not make that mistake and take away that credit. Competition में तो these things are extremely crucial. So when you are doing, also write subheadings for whatever articles that you want, because लोगों को वो focus नहीं रहता है, right? What do you remember while concluding? 3 से ज़्यादा conclusion में points मत रखो. Conclusion बहुत hodgepodge नहीं होना चाहिए. You have to communicate your main message clearly and concisely. And whatever remember the core message. आपका take away क्या है, आपका purpose क्या है, वो दोनों का balance conclusion में होना जरूरी है. यदि वो नहीं है तो don't write, because conclusion में आप क्या लिखोगे ना, that is very very crucial. So remember, whatever you do, 3 जिससे ज्यादा point नहीं होने चाहिए. आपका core message होना चाहिए और simple होना चाहिए, बहुत brief होना चाहिए. वहां पे बहुत सारे adjectives इस्तेमाल मत करो. Hardcore simple sentences, concise sentences पे जाओ. Correct? Very simply put, if it is written, these are the 7 C's in communication. Whenever you structure a communication, these are the 7 C's which are the base for any communication. It should be clear, complete, concise, concrete, and correct. These 5 are very crucial for written communication. Considerate and courteous are when you are doing oral presentation or oral structuring of your thoughts. So presentation oral hota hai, to last 2 will come. The other 5 are for written communication. I've already said that, but remember, these are the 7 C's of communication. If you want to do, you can take a screenshot. मैंने अभी तक बोला वो सभी का conclusion यहाँ पे है. Right? This is basically the concluding part for the written aspect of of your structuring of your thoughts. If it is oral, then what to do? I will take in just 5 minutes and then I'll conclude. Then you have any questions, you guys can ask me. Okay. So when you are doing an oral presentation, always do take support of something written. जैसे कि आज हम कर रहे थे, स्पेशली ऑनलाइन पे आप करते हो ना, तो स्लाइड्स हमेशा रखो, सिर्फ ओरल मत जाने दो, बिकॉज लोग सुनते भी है और देखते भी है. सो देयर विजुअल एंड ऑडियो बोथ सेंसेस शुड बी एंगेज्ड. सो आप पीपीटी बनाइएगा, स्लाइड्स रखिएगा, लॉजिक फ्लो उसका जैसे पैराग्राफ का था वैसे स्लाइड्स का भी लॉजिक फ्लो होना चाहिए, क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए. एडजेक्टिव्स और एडजेक्टिव फ्रेजेस इस्तेमाल मत करो, मिस इंटरप्रिटेशन कम्युनिकेशन में ना हो, वो बहुत ही जरूरी है. योर प्रेजेंटेशन शुड टेल अ स्टोरी. याद रखना, जो भी आप प्रेजेंटेशन भी करते हो उसमें भी एक कहानी होती है कि ये हुआ. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बोला ना कि मेरी इतनी बात खत्म हो गई, फिर मैं एक नई बात चालू कर रही हूँ. सो इवन दैट, टेक पीपल थ्रू दीज स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड थॉट्स. और एंड होना चाहिए. तो मैंने बोल भी दिया कि अच्छा 5 मिनट में मैं एंड करूंगी. सो यू ऑल आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि अरे ये बंद करेंगे अभी, राइट? सो दैट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग. मुझे बहुत इसमें अभी क्लाइमैक्स या ड्रामा नहीं करना था, तो मैंने सीधा सिंपल ही बोल दिया. दैट इज ऑल्सो फाइन, बट ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर होना जरूरी है. एंड यदि हो सके तो विजुअल्स या अच्छी डिजाइन इस्तेमाल कीजिए, बहुत ही क्लटर मत कीजिए, वो बहुत ही अच्छा नहीं लगता है. जैसे मैंने देखो ये वाला, and this is, yes,
Move to previous slide.
you want the previous slide? Okay. So these are so many thoughts. I have kept so many words in a slide basically because I am teaching you this. But had I been just doing a presentation, this is the kind of slide I'll prepare. Big, not too much. I will speak more rather than too much of content on the slide. So the slide, if you like 10 slides is basically for 40 minutes to an hour's presentation. If it is
Yes.
a very long presentation, yes, you can do.
Razina,
And
I will definitely answer your question. Just let ma'am finish and then definitely I'll make it very clear. Okay. Just beta, and I really appreciate all of you, those who are there till the last slide. And trust me, beta, ma'am is out and out a teacher. So, and that is so much visible, with her presentation, that बच्चों को कुछ नहीं पता है वैसे ही हमेशा as teacher शुरू करते हैं. Okay, मतलब we don't guess कि तुम्हें ये आता होगा. Okay, so that is something so important. So be there. We'll just in 5 minutes we'll be winding it up. So yes, Vinita ma'am, please carry on.
yes, so remember, content should be simple. Don't have too many points per slide and don't have too many graphics. You love color, but do not put all the colors that you love on the slide because it makes very hard on the eyes. So keep it simple. That is something very, very important. And remember, कि practice करना बहुत जरूरी है, especially if it is oral presentation. सीधा का सीधा आपने लिखा है मतलब नहीं, you will not be able to talk of it. You have to practice something. It's extremely important. And when you're talking, show enthusiasm. And madam, then this is what will happen and it will be like this. Oh, that is not how you talk. You have to, even in your voice modulation, you have to show your enthusiasm. You move your hands, you move your head. That is how you show enthusiasm, right? And don't worry, tension hota hai. Whenever you are talking to a lot of people, strangers, you feel, oh my God, ye meri galti nikalenge. But no, most of the people you talk to want to listen, positive ही होते हैं. So think along positive lines. That is the only way you take away that fear of talking to strangers. They are not out there to find your mistakes. They want to listen to you. That is why all the people are there. Take deep breaths and smile and be yourself. You are good enough. So don't worry. Whenever you're communicating, written or oral, be yourself, authentic. आप जो भी है वो करिए. You may learn new things, but don't worry too much about it. So whenever you're communicating, written or oral, you have to relax, take deep breaths, think, have confidence, and believe in yourself. That is something very, very crucial. Always believe in yourself, right? Yes, you were saying there was a question. Or yes, anybody who has questions, they can ask questions. They can put the questions in the chat box and we'll take. Shifa, you decide your levels. Like it is not a level. It is basically, that is why I said be yourself. Be authentic about it. आपको जो समझ में आता है, आपको लगता है कि ये important है, वो चीज लिखिए. And that is something bottom line. Level, I think, Megha, you also wanted to comment on it?
Yes, basically her question was that do we have to write about science? So beta, don't typically think science. Maybe the problems around you, everywhere there is science, okay? So you can just have a kind of a scientific perspective towards it, say pollution or say environment or nature. सब में science है बेटा. मतलब आप नॉर्मल कुछ भी लिखोगे तो एक कोई भी चीज ऐसी है ही नहीं पॉलिटिक्स के अलावा, शायद उसमें भी तो साइंस है कहीं, बट ऐसा है ही नहीं कि जिसमें साइंस नहीं आएगा. Okay, and this particular competition, I will again reiterate that the competition is going to be wonderful, bachas. So the whole idea is that तुम लोग सब उसमें participate करो, and इतना तुमने patience से तुम लोग रहे हो पूरे उसमें सेशन में, और इतने अच्छे से सुना है, तो कुछ तो implement करने की कोशिश करो और अच्छा सा come up with some nice article, okay, for 6th, 7th, 8th. Okay, it's a separate section, and for 9th, 8th, 9th, rather 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th, it's a separate section. So before I announce all that, thank you very much, Binita ma'am. You were amazing, and just like a teacher, how we start and we end. I think children might be really very happy, and they have I really wish that they have learned what we had visioned. So thank you again from my side.
Thank you, Megha. I also enjoyed myself. So is it okay if I take a photograph
Absolutely,
right now, or
please,
have you taken?
Please, and if all the children also start their cameras, that would be wonderful. So please do that. Let me